BuildZoom tracks all of our permits across the nation. And this is important because it shows our real construction activity across the nation and our compliance. And all of this helps to build our credibility.
BuildZoom score is basically telling you whether or not the contractor is A, getting permits, and B, obtaining the permits that they've submitted for, and C, following all the guidelines for any corrections that are required for the permits. And the most important thing is finalizing the permit. Essentially, the biggest thing that I've seen over all the years of being in construction is that contractors will get a permit if they can, and then once they receive the permit and they collect the final payment from the client, then at that point in time, they will leave. They never get the final. It's very important as a consumer that you require that the final has been signed off on by the contractor before you actually pay the contractor in full. And that's what BuildZoom is really doing to help protect consumers. We don't pay BuildZoom anything whatsoever, but we do submit some of our projects to BuildZoom. Do they do all of our permits? No. Are all jurisdictions on board? No. Is their system perfect? No. But it does a pretty good job, law of averages, of assessing all the contractors that are out there that are getting permits, handling any corrections, and getting finals on permit. So it's a good gauge if you're a homeowner and you're wanting to get a permit for a project that you're hiring a contractor that's qualified to actually get the permit. As an organization, we rank very high on it. If you go in and you look at our projects, those aren't pictures of projects that we took. They're actually pictures of projects that inspectors have took. So you're gonna see details within the project that you typically would not. And they're something that we pay absolutely nothing to. They pay absolutely nothing to us. There's no sponsorship there, nothing happening. It is just a very good gauge on whether or not you're hiring a contractor that's qualified to get you a permit and close your permit out. The one thing that I really want you to pay attention to is making sure that your contractor is getting a final before you pay him in full.
People come first, construction, making your